Anyone can draw cartoons. Take a pen and a paper and draw with me. Draw a V for the nose. Draw a circle and a dot for the right eye. Repeat for the left eye. Create a triangle for the mouth and shade the bottom part. Create two triangles for the bow of the hair. Another triangle for the bottom part of the hair. Draw a big bubble for the hair. Create a smaller bubble for the other part of the hair. Draw a curve for the chin, another curve for the back head. Draw a V for the neck and two lines for the shoulder. The character is ready. Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I am on a mission to provide free education through my channel.